Math 3 Final Benchmark, Question 50. A student saves money and decides to increase the amount of money saved by 20% each month for a year. If the student originally saved $40, what will be the total savings after 4 months? All right, so a couple key things. It says increases by 20% each month, and it says originally saved $40. So we're going to start with $40. And if we increase it by 20% each month, so if we times something by 1, we get the same number back. So remember, interest to be increased by 20%, you have to multiply it by 1 point, the interest rate, which in this case would be 1.2. So if we look at this, we're going to do 40 times, and you can do 1.2, which is an increase of 20%. So that would be $48 would be month 2 for their savings. And then for month 3, we would do 48 times 1.2, which is $57.60. And then we're going to do one more time. We're going to do $57.60 times that same 20% growth, which is 1.2, and that would be $69.12. All right, so what we need to do is just add up. It says for 4 months, so we've got 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and 4 months. So to add that up, we're just going to do 69.12 plus 57.60 plus 48 plus 40. And that equals $214.72. So you can see that the answer here would be D. So basically this question is not very difficult. You just have to know that when it increases by 20%, you're going to multiply that amount by 1.2. So the answer to number 50 is D.